How to measure your Tangem ring size. Finding the right ring size ensures your Tangem ring fits comfortably and securely. Tangem rings will be available in sizes 6 to 13 US, corresponding to a diameter of 16.5 to 22.3 millimeters. I'll show you some simple methods to measure your ring size correctly. Method 1. With a string or a piece of paper. Get a strip of paper or a piece of a string, a ruler and a pen. Cut the strip of paper to at least 10 centimeters long. Wrap the paper or string around the base of your finger. It should be snug but not too tight. The paper should slide over your knuckle with a little resistance. Now, mark the points where the paper or string overlaps itself. Lay the paper flat and measure the length from the end to the marked point. Record the measurements in millimeters and use it to find your ring size in our standard ring size chart. Method 2. Using an existing ring. If you already have a ring that fits your favorite finger, you can use it to determine your size. Remove the ring and place it on a piece of paper. Trace the inner perimeter with a pen, then measure the diameter of the circle in millimeters. This measurement should help you choose the right ring size. Method 3. Using a ring sizer. You can get ring sizes online to determine your ring size, or you can visit a local jewelry store and ask the consultant to measure your size. So easy! Method 4. Using templates. Many mobile apps can help you measure your ring size. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search for Ring Sizer and choose the best app for you. Install it and follow the instructions. Some tips for accurate measurement. Measure your finger at the end of the day when it's the largest. Make sure your finger is at a normal body temperature, as fingers can shrink or expand with cold or heat. If your knuckle is larger than the base of your finger, measure both and choose the size in between for a comfortable fit. For more accurate results, repeat the measurement process a few times.